Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a refund for a stolen Amazon package. All right, let's begin. First, confirm that your package was actually delivered. Sometimes Amazon marks packages as delivered early, and they may still arrive within 24 to 48 hours. Check your front porch, mailbox, building lobby, or even with neighbors before assuming it's stolen. If you're sure the package is missing, go to Amazon's website or app and tap on Your Orders. Find the missing item and open its order details. Scroll down and tap Customer Service. Next, select the order in question and describe your issue. If your order is late or stolen, choose the option that best fits. Then continue to Customer Service. You can also request a call by selecting your preferred language so a representative can reach out directly. Amazon usually handles these claims efficiently, especially for Prime members. In most cases, you'll receive either a replacement or a refund within 24 to 48 hours of filing the complaint. To prevent future thefts, consider using Amazon lockers, installing a security camera at your front door, or leaving specific instructions for the delivery driver to place packages in a hidden or safe location. So that's basically how you can get a refund for a stolen Amazon package. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.